This is the experimental setup of platinum resistance thermometer. This is platinum resistance thermometer tube. It is positive temperature coefficient. Then for this experiment we can find out to determine the temperature coefficient alpha of platinum resistance thermometer by using Callendar and Griffith bridge. This is a Callendar and Griffith bridge. Then here the apparatus are used. This Leclanche cell, galvanometer, this thermometer and platinum resistance thermometer tube, and this Callendar and Griffith bridge. Here there are 4 terminals, 2 terminals for C and 2 terminals for P. P terminals are connected across these 2 terminals and C terminals are connected across these 2 terminals. Then this Leclanche cell is connected across this P and Q terminal, and this galvanometer is connected through one terminal of this is connected to galvanometer and other terminal is connected to this terminal. Then this circuit is completed. Then we can select a one resistance of this resistance box. Here 2 ohm resistance we can select it. Then when we tap this key, galvanometer deflects right side, and in this side the galvanometer deflects other side. Then we can find out the null point. In this experiment we can find the null point and at different temperatures. So here the standard resistance we can take 2 ohm standard resistance. We can use here 2 ohm standard resistance. Then the formula to determine the resistance at temperature T is given by RT is equal to R0 into bracket 1 plus alpha T plus beta T square plus dot dot dot, where R0 is resistance at 0 degree Celsius, RT is resistance at T degree Celsius, and alpha is temperature coefficient. So neglecting T item in above equation, we get RT is equal to R0 into bracket 1 plus alpha T. Therefore RT is equal to RS, that means the source resistance, plus or minus into bracket rho plus T. Rho is the resistance of wire per unit length. Resistance of wire per unit length, rho is equal to 0.01 ohm, and standard resistance RS is equal to, here we use 2 ohm. Then we can calculate the null point also at different temperatures. Okay, here dear friends, resistance of wire per unit length, rho is equal to 0.01 ohm. Then standard resistance RS is equal to 3 ohm here. Then formula for this is resistance at temperature T is given by RT is equal to R0 into bracket 1 plus alpha T plus beta T square plus dot dot dot, where R0 is resistance at 0 degree Celsius, RT is the resistance at the corresponding temperature T degree Celsius, alpha is temperature coefficient. Neglecting T items in the above equation, we get RT is equal to R0 into bracket 1 plus alpha T. Therefore RT is equal to RS plus or minus rho plus T. Rho is the resistance of wire per unit length, plus T is the corresponding temperature. Then we can heat the platinum resistance thermometer, and at cooling we can find out the balancing length at temperature 90 degrees Celsius. So here temperature is 90 degrees Celsius, balancing length is 4.3. So here the below given the calculation of this R90 is equal to 3 plus rho, that is the value of the resistance of wire per unit length 0.01 into 4.3 is equal to 3 plus 0.043 is equal to 3.4 0.043 is the RT. Then at 85 degrees Celsius, balancing length is 1.1. Here the calculation for R85 is equal to 3 plus into bracket 0.01 into 1.1 is equal to 3.011. This is RT is given in this table. Then at temperature 80 degrees Celsius, same as carry on up to 50 degrees Celsius, and we can find out RT at different temperatures. Then we can plot the graph of this RT versus temperature. The graph nature is straight line. Then this value here from graph RT versus temperature, we can first calculate the slope of this graph. Slope is equal to y into y scale divided by x into x scale. Then we can calculate the slope of this graph. Then we can calculate the positive temperature coefficient alpha is equal to slope upon R0. By this graph we can find out this. The value of R0 is 2.927 is the value of R0. So we get a slope of this graph divided by R0. We will get the positive temperature coefficient alpha is in per degree Celsius.